Hello kiddies, this video will share you that cute easy drawing of NUMBAT and also facts about NUMBATs. Yeah, let's go. Number 1. NUMBATs are related to the Tasmania tigers. Number 2. NUMBAT's tongue is almost half of their length. Number 3. NUMBATs eat lots and lots of termites. Even a single NUMBAT can eat up to 20,000 termites a day. Number 4. Their tongue is a mighty tool. It used to reach down and slurp up termites as they pass by. Number 5. NUMBAT babies latch on for a month. It have one of the shortest gestation period of any mammals. Even it get 14 days only. Number 6. NUMBATs are masters of camouflage. Their striped fur provides excellent camouflage in woodland habitats, which is one of the reasons too hard for scientists to study them in the wild. Number 7. NUMBATs are cousins of the extinct marsupial wolf. Number 8. Despite their teeth being useless, they have more than most mammals. Number 9. NUMBATs are called banded anteater and marsupial anteater. Number 10. The NUMBAT is a tiny creature between 35 to 45 cm long only, including their tail. Number 11. NUMBAT has a sternal scent gland which it is used for scent marking. Number 12. The adult NUMBATs are solitary and territorial. I hope you like this video. If you are, then hit the like button to this video and also do subscribe for our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.